Buongiorno from Roma. Solo on the streets this morning. Just went to try and get some money exchange. I was unsuccessful. So I walked about 15 minutes to get to this place, which is meant to be the currency exchange. And when I got there, couldn't find it anywhere. It literally said I was there on Google Maps, on top of it. None of the locals knew where it was. I went in the supermarket, they didn't know where this place was. And then by the time I managed to locate, I was inside an apartment building because I found the buttons on the side that said the name of the currency exchange. So I managed to get inside this apartment building. Nothing signposted, doesn't say, once you're in there, it doesn't say where it is. There's no writing on the doors or anything like that. It just looks like people live there. And then the locals there didn't even know where this place was. So I've given up and I'm going to go another one. I'm just making my way back to the apartment to meet Kit. And then do a bit more exploring in Rome. Need some dough first though. We've just sat down at this restaurant, not too far from the Colosseum. It's called Osteria Isidoro. It's got really good reviews. That's a TripAdvisor review. I'm expecting good. A classic Moretti. What you ordered, Kit?
I've gone for a carbonara. Not had one before. Other than the one I had in Albania. I've not had a carbonara before, so I thought I'd try that.
Gone for a classic Moretti. Salute. Yeah, it's good. First Moretti I've had outside of the UK. It's the first Moretti I've had in Italy. Yeah, it does, to be fair. I ordered spiced pork ribs with potatoes, but they don't do it anymore apparently, so I've just went for a carbonara as well. So let's hope it's good. It smells amazing, doesn't it?
So good. I'm so excited.
The fresh bacon, parmesan. Getting the classic Instafit kit. Go on, taste test. Looks good, to be fair, looks really good. Is it nice? You can tell that pasta's fresh. And with a smoky bacon, really good. Il conto per favore.
That's your Italian, you're doing good. Where are you from?
England. Nice meal that was. Lovely carbonara, wasn't it?
Picture of pasta for dinner or breakfast. So far. Nothing but pizza and pasta so far.
After you. Doesn't look real, does it? We're currently making our way to go into the Colosseum. You want to see how busy it is. So I would recommend buying tickets in advance. I did try to buy them this morning, but they're already sold out for today. So it's our last day in Rome, so I had to take it on the chin and queue up. So I'd recommend it, guys, if you're coming here, make sure you get your tickets in advance. Ticket secured for the Colosseum entry. And one thing to keep in mind, guys, the first Sunday of every month, the Colosseum entry is free, which is a bonus, yeah.
That might be why you can't buy tickets in advance, maybe.
Yeah, probably why, to be fair, isn't it?
They're free. That might be why.
That will be why, yeah. So these models here are showing all the trapdoors where the animals would emerge from. So back in the day they had tiered seating with the emperor and like senators and knights. They'd have all the good seating, whereas the plebs, the poor people, their seating wouldn't be very good and it'd be quite inconvenient to get to. Get what you pay for, didn't you, Kit?
Oh.
I read that they had these type of birds that are really common in Rome. They're nearly extinct now, that actually used to live in the Colosseum, and whatever was killed by the gladiators or the animals, when the arena was cleared, the eagles just used to swoop down and take whatever was left, basically. Human remains, animal remains. So me and Kit are just walking around the grounds of Palatine Hill and the Roman Forum. And I'd definitely recommend it if you're in Rome. So nice and peaceful up here, isn't it, Kit? Yeah. Away from the massive crowds that you get here in Rome. And you can hear the birds singing. There's the nice trees. And I forgot to mention as well that we got free entrance to the Roman Forum and Palatine Hill along with our Colosseum tickets, which is good. So we're now making our way to the Trevi Fountain via the Piazza Venezia. So here it is, Piazza Venezia. Buongiorno from Roma. So me and Kit have just sat down at this pizzeria. I'm not even sure the name of it.
Trevi?
And the Trevi Fountain's right behind us, so we're right in the thick of it here. Proper tourist central.
Yeah, so basically the story is we've just been for food, but we ordered burgers, right? And it was literally just a patty that came out with some like lettuce, and Jack had like a fried egg with his, and mine came with onion rings. Basically we finished and we were still hungry, so now we've come to a pizzeria because we fancied pizza as well. We've gone for pizza with
Diavola, pizza Diavola, so it's got spicy pepperoni and mozzarella, so I'm buzzing for it.
And Jack has finally got his Aperol Spritz.
Yeah, finally got my Aperol Spritz, I've been wanting all day.
I've gone for a limoncello.
Salute. Love an Aperol Spritz, can't beat one in Italy either. How's your limoncello, Kit?
More drinkable than the one from yesterday. Well, that food smells really good. Yeah, it's nice, I like it.
They're hardcore in Napoli. It's a lot stronger, isn't it? Not gonna lie, I do much prefer Napoli to Rome. I think the locals are a lot more friendlier, the food's better, cheaper, less touristy. It's real, authentic Neapolitan life. Rome's beautiful, it's great. Very touristy though.
I agree.
I'm not in Rome off though, you can see why it's so popular. There is so many beautiful tourist sites and stuff. Just in my opinion, I prefer Napoli. The fries are out.
They're really nice. They're cut like crisps, but they are chips.
My pizza, yeah. Grazie mille. Here's the pizza Diavola, so it's mozzarella and pepperoni.
Spicy pepperoni. Already cut up as well. Don't get that, did you?
Buonasera, come va? Bene. Me and Kit have both said the best thing about Rome so far is the ice cream. Unreal.
What should we do?
Trevi Fountain's there. Got some bars over here. Right, we're going to have these and decide what we're doing. Just finished at the Trevi Fountain, guys. We're now on our way to the Spanish Steps, doing the classic Roma tourist sightseeing things, isn't we?
Yeah, Colosseum fountain steps.
Got to be done though, innit?
Right, so from the fountain, it's a 6-minute walk from where we are now to the steps.
Oh, one thing, guys, if you're watching this and you're planning to come to Rome as well, I'm going to warn you about a scam. Someone will come over to you and they will say, they'll ask you where you're from, shake your hand, ask you how long you're in Rome for, hope you're enjoying the place, and then they say, I'll give you a band for free. I saw it coming, I knew it wasn't going to be for free. So they basically throw a bracelet at you, but I just don't catch it and walk off because they want you to catch it.
Don't catch it or can't catch it.
No, I was literally just lifting my hands up like that. So they'll say to you,
I'm joking.
so they'll say to you, yeah, if you catch it basically and try and give it back to them, they're gonna ask you for money.
Sing to me, Barlow.
Right, so we've made it to the Spanish Steps. Nice place to chill out, but pretty underwhelming to be honest. I think it's a good meeting place for a lot of people, locals and tourists. It's a nice set of stairs though, isn't it?
I mean.
Got a Montclair shop there.
And a Dior shop. Prada. Dior.
I just want to say, why do people do this? Feel like someone's chucked an apple core, all sorts of litter in this lovely fountain at the bottom of the Spanish Steps. I just hate litter and I don't know why people do it. I just think it's so stupid. There's plenty of bins around here. So guys, if you follow with me and you follow me and you enjoy these videos, do not litter. Do look pretty nice at night, the Spanish Steps. Nice palm tree at the top.
People are drinking from it.
Yeah, you can drink from it. I wouldn't drink out the water a bit on the bottom there. To be fair, that's all recirculated actually, so I wouldn't do that.
This guy here just drank from it.
No, thank you. Salam. So we're just making our way.
Downtown, walking fast, faces.
Right. So we're just making our way back to the apartment now. Got a cheeky bottle of Ichnusa, drinking it on the street like a true yobber. Like a true Brit, yeah. One thing I do like about the Roman culture is there's a lot of people just seem to chill in the park at night or like around the square with their loved ones having a couple of drinks. Got a lovely view of the Colosseum in front of us. Right guys, we've had a lovely evening in Roma. I've got my Aperol Spritz to go for the walk back. Had a nice evening, Kit.
Yeah, I'm very tired now though.
Got an early start tomorrow as we're going to make our way back to Napoli, back down the coast, and then to Sorrento for the start of our Sorrento and Amalfi Coast trip.
Woohoo!
So, buonanotte, arrivederci, ciao bella, ciao.